To use Cash App outside of the UK, you need to understand the app's limitations and capabilities. Cash App is a US-based service, and its primary functionality is limited to the United States. However, you can still use it to send and receive money internationally, including to the UK, by following these steps. First, download and install Cash App on your mobile device. You can find it in the App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Once installed, create an account by providing the required information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Next, link a debit card or bank account to your Cash App account. This will allow you to fund your account and send money to others. Keep in mind that Cash App uses the mid-market exchange rate for international transactions, which may result in a slightly higher fee compared to other services. To send money to someone in the UK, open the app and tap the Send Money tab. Enter the recipient's email address, phone number, or $hashtag, which is a unique identifier for each Cash App user. Specify the amount you want to send and add a note if needed. Review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and any fees, before confirming the transfer. When receiving money from someone in the UK, the process is similar. The sender will need to use your $hashtag or other identifying information to initiate the transfer. The funds will be converted to your local currency using the mid-market exchange rate, and you can access them in your Cash App account. It is essential to note that Cash App has daily and weekly sending limits, as well as receiving limits. These limits vary depending on your account type and verification status. To increase your limits, you will need to verify your identity by providing a government-issued ID and other information. In addition to sending and receiving money, Cash App also offers other features, such as investing in stocks and buying and selling Bitcoin. However, these features may not be available outside of the US, and their availability depends on your location and account type. To avoid any issues when using Cash App outside of the UK, make sure to understand the app's terms and conditions, as well as any local regulations that may apply to your transactions. It is also crucial to keep your account information and login credentials secure to prevent unauthorized access and potential losses. In summary, using Cash App outside of the UK requires a basic understanding of the app's functionality and limitations. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and efficiently send and receive money internationally, including to the UK.